User Experience Monitoring. Hello, welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we're going to learn how to monitor desktop user experience on Windows systems. The plugin that will allow you to use this feature is only available to users with a Pandora FMS Enterprise account. User Experience Monitoring through Pandora Desktop Robot (PDR) allows interaction with Windows operating systems as if it were a user. Pandora UX will launch user transactions prepared with this tool, allowing more advanced and specific monitoring. Its main use is to monitor heavy desktop applications. To deploy the PDR system in your computer, you need to meet the following three prerequisites. The first one is having a Windows system in desktop mode with auto start and auto login, preferably a virtual machine that can stay running. To achieve this, execute the command Ctrl User Passwords to and uncheck the box Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. The second requirement is to download the PDR for UX monitoring package from Pandora FMS module library. Create a directory called PDR on your machine and unzip the contents of the pdr.rar file in your new directory. The final requirement will be to download Pandora_UX plugin in order to launch your transaction. Once these requirements are met, record your transaction. Start the securely recorder by executing the file pdr.bat, which will be one of the files that you retrieved from the PDR package. After a loading process, you will see the commands available in the recording environment, such as click, double-click, and wait. When recording the project, a folder will be created containing the following elements: a .py file with the automation script code and images to control navigation. In case you want to do a transactional recording by stages, record the sessions in several different scripts. To launch recorded PDR sessions, indicate the working mode as the path to the pdr.cmd file deployed at the corresponding point. The argument of said -r file, the file that contains the session directives, -script, and optionally the directory where to store the screenshots, -folder, ending with a /. The execution therefore would be the following: path to plugin Pandora_UX -exe c:\PDR space -argc space -r space -script. Path to the recorded project -folder, path where to save your screenshots. This will return the following modules: UX_time_name_project, also UX_status_name_project, and finally UX_control_snapshot_name_project. If there's an error in any stage, the following module will also be created: UX_snapshot_name_project. If everything turned out to be a success, you may add the execution line to the Pandora FMS agent installed on the Windows machine as an agent plugin. In this case, you may also add the parameter -checkpoint that helps show a screenshot of the final result even if there's no failure, and take this result as the baseline for the following checks. Two other extra parameters that you can use are -pause to execute actions in the system once the session has finished playing, and -max_differences to specify the maximum percentage of difference allowed between the control image and the one obtained at the end of the checkup. Now that the agent has the execution line module_plugin ready, it is launched in process mode, executing the following from the command line as an administrator: c:/program files /Pandora agent.exe --process in the default path. From that moment onwards, the agent process should not be closed, and you should not log in the machine through remote desktop, or the executions could be interrupted. If you have recorded different processes with PDR and you have checked they were, by playing them continuously, run path to Pandora_UX plugin. -exe space c colon /pdr/pdr.cmd space -ardc space -r space -t, name of the transaction, -script, path to the different scripts separated by commas, -folder, path to the directory where screenshots are saved. As you can see, just indicate the path of the new script in the -script parameter separated by a comma from the previous script and use the -t parameter with the name of the transaction that will include the different stages. After executing the module _ plugin with the agent in process mode, you will be able to see the modules created in your Pandora FMS agent, where you will have as a result, unlike the previous case, the time it has taken each stage in a separate module, and of course, in case of failure, the screenshot of the point of failure in the transaction. And that was it for today's video. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can go to Pandora FMS forum. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you can contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you in future videos. Bye!